Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to add the apps on your Xumo Stream Box in 2026. So if you have got your device or you want to install more streaming applications, this guide will show you exactly how you can do it quickly and correctly. So first of all, you need to understand the functioning of the Xumo Stream Box. So unlike some other streaming services, Xumo comes with many popular applications already available in it, but you can still browse and add more applications through the built-in app section. So in order to find it, first of all, you just have to press the home button on your remote. When you do this, you are going to see the main screen in front of you. Over here, you need to scroll through the application and look for the option of apps and view all. When you select this particular option, you are going to see all of the available streaming applications in front of you. Plus, you will see a search icon on the top. So you just have to use that search option in order to find any of the specific applications like YouTube, Netflix, or other streaming app. So once you find the application that you want, simply just select it and choose the option of add, install, or get, depending on what appears on your screen. Now wait for a few seconds while the application is installing. After installation, the app will automatically appear in your apps list. If required, you can open the app and sign in with your account to start streaming. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.